Going around the world in movies allows flexibility, linking films and journeys, so a birder's guide to everything suits Costa Rica just fine. The country features more than 900 avian varieties, while the hobby, or sport, of birding includes helpful life skills like the idea of slowing down and taking the time to really look at what's around you. So if you're going for a birder's guide to everything, I'm not sure that birding does everything, but I think there's a key lesson about what's around you. And Liz, as a brand new birder, what did you learn?
It's amazing how much you don't see when you don't know what you're looking for or don't recognize what you're seeing.
The world is full of amazing things right around you, and they just look like a tree blowing in the wind. Birding also hones skills at describing your surroundings. Otherwise, you end up with a problem, as Fred demonstrates. What do you see, Fred?
Avocados. I'm looking for the quetzal, but the bird's in that tree.
What tree?
Oh, that one. You know that one right there.
Yes, the birding challenge is when they say it is in that tree. Uh-huh. In Costa Rica, that need for descriptive clarity extends to more than birds, as Barbara and Liz show in a dramatic reenactment of an actual event they experienced.
Liz, I'd really like to know what kind of plant this is.
Which plant?
The green one.
Which green one?
Special training helps, which makes it useful to tour with an expert guide like the Birdman of Costa Rica, Mario Cordoba. Mario can hear a chirp and know what species sang it. He can see a flitting movement in dense leaves and know who's theirs. He uses his brain plus special tools like speakers and calls to locate birds. Oh, Mario was doing that one. Do it again, Mario. Having watched thousands of birds throughout his life, Mario seems blasé to the colorful toucans and scarlet-rumped tanagers that excite visitors. The tanagers proved so plentiful, Mario told us not to mention their names, so we called them the Voldemorts. Suitable as extras in one of Baz Luhrmann's movies like Elvis or Gatsby, the birds of Costa Rica flash colors and glitter exuberantly. Turn around and show off your throat. Oh, that's the throat. Mario enlists the aid of other local birders, and his friend Danielle led him to a great achievement, adding a new bird to his lengthy life list. A life bird for Mario. That's a good deal.
That was a good deal, yeah.
Mario also works with Paz to spot the Cabanisi sparrow, which lives in only a small segment of Costa Rica, making it one of the country's 4 endemic species. Cute but not flashy, the sparrow never fails to raise enthusiasm for a true professional birder. Not to say Mario feels immune to bird beauty. For instance, he loves a rare black-chested jay. And no one seems immune to the glam rock David Bowie of birds, the resplendent quetzal. One of the reasons to come to Savegre is because we want to see the resplendent quetzal. But you can't just buy a ticket to see one. It takes a combination of useful traits like knowledge and patience, plus tolerance for early hours and cold mornings.
Some guys coming with big cameras there, so we're gonna take these around the scope. This right here. They can go find their own place if they want.
They won't go here, right?
No. Everybody will go past this point. If they do, you push them over. Here's how it works. Generally, the birds come from either that hill. They start working their way down from there through these trees. they come not through here. Or to the also they come from the hill behind. This in front of us there's this tree that's leaning like that. Leaning to the right. So it's a double tree. Okay. So the very next tree to the right of that, on that same line, is the tree we're going to feed him.
Definitely resplendent. That we were pretty lucky to spot.
An extended quetzal viewing deserves an avian Oscar nomination, if not the prize, for Best Picture. But with so much competition for beauty and uniqueness, Costa Rica's bird Oscar race offers a plethora of deserving contenders.